Today we're talking about spatial patterns, which is 3.9 in our textbook. Now, spatial patterns can be found in geometric shapes. So you form a rule to show how many objects are used to create the shape. For example, you might have 6 sticks to make up a shape. We might have matches, toothpicks, and you can see the example down the bottom here. We've got blocks. So you need to find out how many of those are used to make the shape, and then you form a rule around that. So once you have the rule, you can predict how many terms or how many things you need, like sticks, matches, toothpicks, for any future shape that you make. So for example, if you have a look down the bottom, you need 1 block to make 1 floor. You need 3 blocks to make 2 floors, 6 blocks to make 3 floors, and 10 blocks to make 4 floors. Knowing this, if you work out the rule, you can actually find out how many blocks you're going to need to make 20 floors without actually drawing it up to 20. Okay, so a spatial pattern is a sequence of geometrical shapes that can be described by a number pattern. So here you can see we've got a shape, and it's got 4 matches here. So the number pattern is 4, 8, 12. So for every 1 shape you have 4, 2 shapes 8, 3 shapes you have 12. This is quite a basic pattern. And if the geometric design connects with an edge, the repetitive shape added will not need the same amount of objects. So you can see the difference between this one here and this example. So when you have 4 matches for 1 shape, but for 2 shapes you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because you've got this edge here that is being used by 2 shapes. So you need to be aware of that when you're looking for patterns. So here you can see this is the first one, but then every one after that will have 1 less. So you need to make sure you include that in the rule. Alright, so here's another example. So rules can be found that connect the number of objects required to produce the number of designs. So here the rule is for each hexagon you need 6 sticks. So it's 6 times however many hexagons there are, that's the rule. So for 2 hexagons you need 2 times 6, which is 12. 3 hexagons, 3 times 6, which is 18. Okay, so how about you have a go and see if you can figure out how many sticks you'll need for 20 triangles. So you need to fill in the table here, and I'll just give you a bit of a head start. So for the number of triangles, so if you have 1 triangle, you have 3 sticks. 2 triangles, you have 6 sticks. 3 triangles, 9. 4, 12, 5, 15. So the number of sticks, equals, so the rule might be the number of triangles times 3. So you can see 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. It works for each one. So remember what I said about making sure the rule works for every part of the sequence that you've seen. Okay, so therefore, if we apply the rule, so the rule is the number of triangles times 3 equals the number of sticks. So therefore, if you've got 20 triangles, so the number of triangles is 20. 20 times 3 equals 60. So you'll need 60 sticks to make 20 triangles. Okay, we're going to do some more examples. These are quite basic examples. We're going to just do some bit more complex ones in class as well.